friends, you're watching my channel OrgaNatic. Even the tiniest apartment can be neatly organized. The trick is to rationally use all available places where you can store things. In today's video I'm gonna share with you 10 ideas on how to accomplish that. If you like videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Underbed space is usually empty, but you can use it for storage. It's safe to say that the best option is to have a bed that already comes with storage drawers underneath. Like this model, for example, has 3 drawers that are good for storing things that are within their reach yet away from your sight. One of these drawers can be even used as an alternative to a bedside table. A loft bed would be perfect for a kid's room. For example, I put these chests under my daughter's loft bed for toy storage. The underneath area is not only good for storage, but also for playtime. And of course, let's not forget about a platform bed lift storage. Just imagine how much you can keep in there. It's a great place for storing off-season clothes, shoes, and rarely used items. A bed like this is a nice alternative to a pantry. The owners of classic beds also can use the underbed space for storage. Depending on the height of the bed, use a plastic container to organize things underneath. These containers also come on wheels. Or use any type of organizer that fits under your bed. A creative way for shoe storage under your bed is to use a spare large canvas. Pull it out and grab the pair of shoes you need. A chest is a magical place that attracts all the things you don't know where to put like a magnet, and sometimes it becomes a habit. But let's agree that it ends up looking bad and makes it harder to clean the surface of the chest. The solution is to create a space for the items using a box like this. Store the items that you still use, but don't know where else to put inside this box. As an alternative, you can use a box like this as a temporary place for the things you'll put away later. An over-the-door space can be used for storing stuff. With the help of the over-the-door hooks, you can store anything you wish, like purses, clothes, perhaps shoes, and even kids' toys. Every house has doors, so in case you are running out of storage space, take advantage of them. Next on the list is doors as well, but this time they belong to the cabinets. You can use them to store plenty of things. The easiest way to accomplish this is by using a special organizer. It's best to store their lightweight items so you won't damage your cabinet doors. It's great for keeping various spices. And if the cabinet is under the sink, use it for housekeeping stuff. And of course, the bathroom cabinet doors can come in handy for keeping something like beauty products, for example. Floor-to-ceiling wardrobes might be one of the most elegant and efficient storage solutions. The problem with common wardrobes is that they waste a space that could be used otherwise. On the other hand, floor-to-ceiling wardrobes tend to have hard-to-reach cabinets. That's why they are best for storing off-season clothes and rarely used items. To make your life easier, use a box or a container to keep things in the top area that you can effortlessly access by pulling the box out and take what you need out of the box. For those who are not planning on buying new furniture in the nearest future, can still optimize the space on the top of a wardrobe. All you need is a containers with lids. Place them on top of a drawer and it's done. Now you have extra storage without spending lots of money. If you want, you can use the space within a window area. For example, I like to keep my cordless vacuum cleaner behind long curtains. Or you can hide a broom there if you use it. I've mentioned this idea before on my Instagram. That's a great hidden place for storage, isn't it? An upholstered storage bench kills two birds with one stone. It can be used as a seat in a hallway, for example to put your shoes on or take them off, and as a storage unit for things like shoes, slippers, beanies and scarves. Even pillows can fit in larger models. That's an optimal solution that offers multifunctionality. The side surfaces of furniture like chests, dressers, nightstands and so on can also be useful for storing stuff. Obviously it's not for heavy and large things, but it's great for jewelry or something like that. By the way, I've showed you this idea before on my Instagram as well. I learned it from my mother-in-law. It's a simple, easy and affordable storage idea. If you have a problem with a crowded coffee table, you are gonna love this model with an installed drawer. Store everything inside and leave only essential items on the surface. You can use a coffee table like that for inside and outside storage. Very practical, isn't it? Please let me know in the comment section which idea did you like most. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel if you're new. See you next week. Bye bye!